Welcome to the magical garden, where every plant has a story. Today, we'll follow the journey of a tiny seed through the eyes of the little botanist.
Every big tree starts as a small seed. Our little botanist plants one in the soil full of hope and dreams. Little botanist. Let's pretend to dig a small hole and plant our seed, and cover it gently with soil. With water and sunlight, our seed begins to sprout. This is called germination. A tiny shoot reaches up towards the sky. Can you stretch your arms up high like the sprouting seed? Our plant is growing, growing, growing. With leaves to soak up the sun's rays, it turns sunlight into food. Little botanists. Let's wave our hands like the leaves fluttering in the wind. Look, our plant is blooming. Its flower a beautiful sight. Flowers can be many colors, attracting friends day and night. What color is your favorite flower? Can you draw it in the air? Bees and butterflies visit, giving our flower a gentle kiss. This helps make new seeds, a process called pollination. Let's buzz like a bee around our flower. That was awesome, little botanists. From the flower comes a fruit, and inside, what do we see? More seeds ready to start their journey, just like you and me. Can you guess how many seeds are inside a fruit? Our journey ends, but for our seeds, it's just the beginning. They'll grow into new plants and the cycle continues spinning. Let's plant more seeds and watch them grow. What kind of plant will you grow? Thank you for joining the Little Botanist on this journey. Keep exploring and asking questions. Until next time, happy gardening.